This connector is the IGS. Is always a connector that makes part of the family of connectors to make the connection in internal threads. S stands for slim. In fact, you can see this is 3/8 inches connector, and this also a 3/8 inches connector. You can see how compact are the overall size. It's studied with a particular disconnection system because it is studied to make connection and disconnection very easily and very safe when you don't have space for the fingers of the operator all around the connector, and works in this way. Just push from the pipe to connect. If you move these two pins in this way, you inserted the safety system. When you have to disconnect the connector, just align again the two pins, and if there is no space all around the connector, just push the two pins and you obtain the disconnection. Is a connector completely made in stainless steel as all the other connectors, or you can use it with every kind of medium, always starting from vacuum up to 400 bar or more if it is requested. We can also have the possibility to insert a check valve inside of the connector that cut the flow when it is disconnected and open the flows when the connector is connected. So, making this movement, pushing the connector inside of the hole, I opened the testing circuit. So I ensure the connection that cannot be removed, and when I come back with this pin and make this movement, I disconnect the connector and instantaneously, simultaneously, I close the flow in the testing line. These connectors are used in all kinds of testing of products that has to be tested threaded holes. You can test hydraulic elements, pumps, valves, every kind of elements that takes part in a hydraulic or a pneumatic circuit. And the function of these connectors, as the previous one of his family, is always the same: to reduce the time of the testing, cutting 100% the time that operator could use to make the connection and sealing and the disconnection of the elements. So you can use this kind of connector to make tests in which the space is very, very tight and there are no space for the hands of the operator, and to make very high quantity of testings a day.